Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to review the target paper for banking, second year banking for 2024. In this target paper, we do have short question answers and long question answers. So we are going to review it. So the number first is, under what circumstances can a check be dishonored by the bank? List the kind of a check, describe cross check, define bill of exchange and mention the parties to it, distinguish between BOT and BOP or commercial and central bank. Write the kinds of endorsement and explain anyone. Describe 5 C's of credit management or differentiate between secured and unsecured loans. List the kinds of bank by ownership and functions. Explain statutory bank. The number 8 will be describe any two of services of e-banking or describe any four disadvantages of e-banking. What are the different type of bank accounts? Describe fixed deposit account. The number 10 will be define letter of credit and list its kind. What do you know what do you know about credit creation? And the number 11 would be define foreign exchange and rate of exchange. Explain clearing house as function of central bank. Write the essentials of bill of exchange. Define check and mention its parties. The number 15 will be list the steps involved in the opening of a bank account. Describe the tools used in e-banking. What is meant by cross-check? Explain type of cross-checks. And the number 19 will be, here we go. Sorry for the inconvenience. The number 19 will be, what are the modes of foreign remittance? Describe any two. Differentiate between debit card and credit card or scheduled and non-scheduled bank.